She called it a hobby, not a chore, not a task, a tiny act of art. In world that often felt too loud, she made the sink stage, the pan a palette, her kitchen soft rebellion against the weight of inertia. It's time to wear the apron and turn this into a hobby. Only people with ADHD that are gonna understand what I will be talking about. Until one day, she's a little candle, not for the mess, but for herself. She played a song as she cooked she used to love, wrapped herself in a soft linen and whispered, "If I can't make it easy, maybe I can make it beautiful. Time to cook for myself." Ha 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 ha. She tells herself just one thing, but her brain turns just one into everything. So she doesn't eat, she doesn't clean, she waits for motivation that never quits arrives. Only if you have ADHD you would understand. She stood at the sink, a mountain of plates, and somewhere beneath them, they begin to begin. But it didn't come because the ADHD, it's never just a dish. It's a spawn, a storm, a spiral, a staring curtains with overwhelm. The dishes, right? Oh. Cooking with ADHD isn't just a recipe. It's a journey through chaos, a knife in one hand, a thought in another, and a half of memory floating somewhere between the spice rack and yesterday's laundry. I forget the pan on the stove, I forget I already added salt, I forget what I was making, but somehow remember that one is a fact. Still I stir, still I try, because there's a strange kind of magic in making messes that taste like comfort. So I put on a song, something loud, something that moves faster than my mind, and suddenly I'm dancing with garlic, suteri stairs, serving myself grace on a chipped plates. Cooking with ADHD isn't clean or quick or always successful, but it is alive, it's human, it's me, feeding myself love in the only language my brain could understand. Movement, music, maybe a little mess. It's time to cook, not perfectly, just honestly. It's time to cook. Back to hand, I'm like, let me start cooking. But before I start cooking, let me check on my Spotify to see if I can find music. Wait, what was I doing? Alright, food. I sprint back, somehow miraculously the pasta is perfect. Oops, not pasta. The piece and the sauce. The quiche, edible, spicy, and beatable. I slap it on a plate like a Gordon Ramsay forgotten of cuisine. Light a candle for no reason, take one bite. It's actually good. And I laugh because I have no idea of how I pulled this off. Ha ha ha. I got lost 6 times. Burnt 2 things. Invented a new spice blend I'll never remember. And somehow, the food is ready. Oh no, it's not ready yet. Remember, I stepped into the kitchen like a woman with a vision, a woman who is prepared for a mission with great destiny. Not to cook, no, to become the moment. This is not just dinner, this is cinema. Apron on, playlist selected. I press my play, first note drops, boom, ba, boom, activated. I open the fridge like I'm opening a treasure chest. And before I started the cooking, half a zucchini, 1 egg, a mystery tap pear, and I will not investigate. Perfect, a challenge, a plot thickens. Oh, wait, did I text my dentist back? Suddenly, I'm deep in emails, half stirring the sauce while booking a cavity filling and Googling, can dogs eat quinoa? Can dogs eat peas? Can dogs eat nyanya? Can dogs eat... I don't have a dog. Oops, I remember. A twist, a setback, the tension that builds. But do I give up? No, because I'm a protagonist. And a protagonist always burns at least one thing. In goes the yogurt. Oh my god, I need to take some yogurt, I tell myself. Oh, this is art. This is war. This is bravery, I tell myself. And when it's done, when I take the first bite, I don't just eat, I tramp. Is the best meal in the world? No, it is replaceable. Absolutely not. But is it mine? Is it the masterpiece of chaotic creation? Is this the masterpiece of chaotic creation? As I add this piece on, I come to realize all I need is peace. Peace to be who I am, peace to cook, peace to enjoy the meals. Because it's not any time that you're able to do the meals. Sometimes you just want to sit and kneel. What can I say? Isn't this art? As a star, I wish I could star my brain and take it to settle like I would settle this meal right away. If you have ADHD, you relate to being forgetful, not only being forgetful, but being extra forgetful and also forgetting the routine that you already started, the routine that was a habit, and now even doing my chaos, me doing minor. Forgive me, guys. I think I'm talking too fast. That's also part of ADHD. Anyway, I'm so glad to create awareness about ADHD as I cook today. Thank you very much, guys, for cooking with me. I love you so much. Don't forget to follow me, guys. I love you all. Then let's wind up with the cooking. Today I was just cooking peas, meat, and guess what, guys? I forgot to put carrots in it, but I was cooking it together with an amazing side. As a side, I was having white rice, and later I cooked it, and white rice was absolutely ready. So this is the white rice, of course, super white. Yeah, and this is the food with a little bit of grape juice. See you in the next video. Love you. Kisses. I appreciate you all. See you.